what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Have probably the dumbest video you're ever gonna watch on YouTube, and I apologize in advance for wasting your time. And I'm bored. I have nothing to do in quarantine. I have an awesome car and I wanna make awesome content for you guys. So today what we're gonna do is, I was cleaning out my office and I drink a lot of soda, you know, it's okay. I can quit whenever I want. And I was cleaning out all the soda cans and I was like, hey, let's put them behind the exhaust. Let's see how far back I can go to see how far we can knock the cans back. And I had some Coke cans, I had some Pepsi cans. So this is the Coke versus Pepsi exhaust challenge. Once again, I apologize if you leave the channel right now. I totally get it. I won't be offended. If you unsubscribe, it's all good. I only have like 20 of you anyways. So anyways, guys, here's the challenge. If you watch it to the end, you guys are troopers and are even more bored than I am. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Okay, take 27. Just joking. This is like take 4. But this is actually the first test that we'll do. Coke versus Pepsi. No sugar. They're both pretty much lined up in the exact same spot. So let's give it a rip and see how it does. Second round. This time we switched up the Pepsi and Coke side. Coke kind of fell over last time as we started it up. I'm probably gonna move that over a little bit just so it's a little bit more even with the exhaust. But yeah, we'll give the second run a go. I'll straighten out that Pepsi can up the top. It looks like it's leaning a little bit, but yeah, we'll give the next run a go. All right, next round. You can see we're getting pretty far back, so who's gonna win, Coke or Pepsi? I have a feeling this might be one of the last rounds. I think after maybe we move another foot back, I think we'll be done. I'm gonna have to move the camera back over this way just so we can be able to see this better. And yeah, we'll give it another go. Okay, here we go again. This is getting a little far back. Yeah, we'll give it a go. Yeah, so here pretty soon I'm gonna run out of room in my garage. I did it in the garage so we could not have the wind running over. So yeah, let's see how this round goes. Okay, here we go. Next round. After this might be one of the last ones. I've moved it back pretty far from the cart. That fell over. As you can see, we're back pretty far. So yeah, let's see who's left standing after this one. Okay, I've decided if anybody's still sticking around for this video and this dumb challenge that I'm doing, quarantine has me way too bored. This is gonna be the final round, and I've inserted a new rule because I can and because I'm the judge of this contest. I'm gonna push on the gas once, and whoever falls is the loser. So let's give it a go, and we'll see how this last round goes, and then I'll let you go on with the rest of your day. There we go. Okay, we don't have a winner, and probably the most useless video you've watched on YouTube, but you can see, I don't know, I'm a ways back from the cans, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Just wanted to have fun, Coke versus Pepsi, and yeah, there's a lot of, if you're a tester or into data, there's probably a lot of things that I'm not doing correctly with this to give it a fair test, but just wanted to have fun with it. I enjoy the sound of these cars, enjoy the power they put out. Thanks for watching. Make sure and like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. All right, round one, Coke versus Pepsi. You can see I got them pretty dang close to the exhaust. Maybe the Pepsi's a little bit closer. And then we knocked it over. Knock them over. Just a Coke. Hey guys. Thanks. What the? Why just the Coke?